In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to display your X live stream posts directly on your WordPress website in just a few easy steps. This way, your site visitors can join in on your live stream posts without having to leave your site. To do this, we'll be using the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. It lets you create fast and responsive X feeds for your WordPress website in just minutes, and with no coding needed. Just head to smashballoon.com, purchase the plugin, then install and activate it on your WordPress site. For this demonstration, I've already got it installed ahead of time, which you can see here. And before we create our X feed, let's go and check out the live stream on X. So here we are inside the X Media Studio, and you can see that we have our live stream broadcasting right now. And along with that, I've also made a post by clicking on this button here and drafting a post sharing that broadcast. Okay, so now if I go to my X profile, you can see that post right here. Okay, it's sharing our broadcast, and if you want to view it, you can also click on your profile picture and watch that live stream here as well, like so, right? So let's go back into our WordPress site, and to create our X feed, we'll first have to click on Add New. With Twitter Feed Pro, you can create several different feed types, such as a feed of posts from a user timeline, a feed of posts from any public hashtag, a feed of posts that match any specific search criteria, and also any publicly available X list. Let's continue with the user timeline option, which is already selected for us, so we can click Next. After that, we'll have to enter the Twitter handle for the account we want to fetch our feeds from. We can type it in here, and this is my account. After entering it, I can click on Next. For the last step of creating our feed, we'll have to select the template for its design. We have options like the default, masonry cards, simple carousel, and more. Let's go with the masonry cards template, and once selected, just click Next. And instantly we have a live preview for a brand new X feed right here inside the plugin. You can see all the latest posts from our X account. You'll also notice that we have our latest post, which is the one sharing our broadcast right here, first up inside our feed. The second one here is from our older broadcast, from a different demonstration, but the one we're focusing on is this one here. So this one was published just 17 minutes ago. We can see the account profile picture and also an X icon on the right hand side indicating that the post is from X. Below that, we have our caption for the post, and of course, the live stream video. Before we go and embed this and take a look at what it looks like on the live site, let me quickly show you some customization options too. On the left hand side under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here we can customize the layout of our X feed. At the moment, we've got our masonry layout selected, which displays our X posts in rows and columns. Next is the carousel, which lets you swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. And the first option here is the list. This one displays your X posts in a single column list. Let's continue with the masonry layout, and underneath that, you can also choose how many columns you have inside your X feed. Currently on desktop, we have 3 columns, which you can see inside the live preview. But to modify it, you just open it up and select the number of columns you want to display. It's totally up to you. Let's go back to 3, and scrolling down, you can also choose the number of tweets you want to display inside the feed as well initially. Currently we have 9, which matches what we can see here. But if you want to change it, just simply enter the number of posts you want to display. Let's go with 6. And just like that, our feed is only displaying 6 posts now instead of 9. I'm pretty happy with that, so we can click on Save Changes. Next, if you want to modify the color scheme of your Twitter feed, under the Customize tab, go click on Color Scheme. Here you can choose from 4 different options. The default one is to inherit from theme, which means that your X feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with the light theme, dark theme, and even a custom theme where you can select the exact color you want for your feed like so. And once you have a color scheme you're happy with, click Save on the top right corner. And lastly, if you want to control and moderate the content inside your X feed, go to Settings and click on Filters. Inside this menu at the top, you have 2 toggles that allow you to choose whether you want to include replies and retweets. If you want to include replies, just toggle it on here, and your X feed will update to include replies as well, if your posts have any. I'm going to toggle that back off, and currently we're also including retweets. So if you want to include retweets, you can leave that as is, but if you want to remove them from your feed, just toggle it off. Next, you can also enter words in the allowed words or block words boxes. If you enter a word into the first box, your X feed will only show posts containing those words. Inversely, with the blocked words box, if you enter a word here, your X feed will hide any videos containing those, and you have some additional options here to help with that. You can choose to show tweets that contain any of the allowed words or all of the allowed words too. And in the same way, you can choose whether and or any of the blocked words or all of the blocked words as well. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also choose to hide specific tweets manually by entering them down here. So with these options, you can filter and moderate your Twitter feed to show the exact content you want to display. And if you make any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. Since you now know how to create and customize your X feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click Add. Now on our WordPress webpage, to embed our feed, just go and add a shortcode block, this one here, and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier, like so. Now all we have to do is click save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new X feed that we just created. And the post we're mostly interested in is the one sharing our live stream, this one here. It was published just 12 minutes ago. It includes the caption for that post, and of course the live stream video in the middle. While it's being streamed live, it will appear inside your feed like this, and if a site visitor clicks on it and click play, we can watch our live stream directly from our WordPress website right here. It's featuring our X video live as it's being broadcast on X itself. At the top, you can see the caption for the post, and down here we can see the title or description for that broadcast as well. You can see that we're live and the number of viewers watching this as well. And down at the bottom, you can see when it was published, and you also have a button to like the post, reply, or copy the link and read it on X as well. And once the broadcast finishes, it will appear inside your feed just like this. This is my broadcast from yesterday. Let's take a look at the rest of the feed. The rest of the posts inside our feed are displayed inside a masonry layout in rows and columns. And down at the bottom, if we click on Load More, your feed will load additional X posts directly on your WordPress website so your site visitors consume more content without leaving your site. And there you have it. That's how we can embed extra live stream posts on your WordPress website in just minutes with no coding needed. Your site visitors can watch your live stream posts directly from your website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.